Locally, based on the 2010 Census of Population and Housing, there were 1,443 million Filipinos, or 1.57%, who have disability out of the 92.1 million household among population. Among the 17 regions, Regions 4A had the highest number of PWDs at 193,000 and was followed by the National Capital Region with 167,000 PWDs. There were also more males than females among persons with disability. Out of the total in 2010, 50.9% were males, while 49.1% were females. Disability was highest among persons ages 5 to 10 years. As early as 1917, the Philippine government started its effort for persons with disabilities, and the national concern for rehabilitation was manifested by non-government organizations as well. The country hosted the second International Conference in Legislation concerning disabled. It was organized by the Rehabilitation International's national affiliate, the Philippine Foundation for the Rehabilitation for Disabled Persons, or PFRD, on January 16 to 20, 1978. President Ferdinand Marcos signed the Presidential Decree number 1509 creating the National Commission Concerning Disabled Persons, or NCCDP, in the said conference. Since 1978, the Philippine Foundation for the Rehabilitation of Disabled Incorporated, or PFRD, served as the Commission's Secretariat to assist the NCCDP Board in the implementation of its objectives and functions. This stayed in effect until PD 1509 was amended by PD 1761 on January 24, 1981. The country has also enacted various laws pertaining to the welfare of disabled persons, including Republic Act No. 9442, otherwise known as the Amendment to the Magna Carta for the Disabled Persons. Republic Act No. 7277, otherwise known as the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons. Batas Pambansa bilang 344, otherwise known as the Accessibility Law. Republic Act No. 10524, Act expanding the position reserved for persons with disability, amending for the purpose of RA No. 7277. There is also Republic Act No. 10754, an act expanding the benefits and privileges of persons with disability, and the execution of its implementing rules and regulations. Republic Act No. 10070, establishing institutional mechanism to ensure the implementation of programs and services for persons with disabilities in every province, city, and municipality, amending RA No. 7277. Disabilities may include various physical and mental impairments that can hamper or reduce a person's ability to carry out his day-to-day activities. It can affect people in different ways, even when one person has the same disability as another person. The 7 types of disabilities mentioned in RA No. 7277 are as follows: psychosocial disability, disability due to chronic illness, learning disability, mental disability, visual disability, orthopedic disability, and communication disability. Sequentially, each disability requires different needs. PWDs can further be classified as qualified person with disability, which includes an individual with disability who, with reasonable accommodations, can perform the essential functions of employment position that such individual holds or desires.
Created using Powtoon.